Hello friends, today I am going to show you and today I hope to give you solution for the battery not showing, battery health not showing and maximum capacity of battery is not showing. You can see here nothing showing. It means when you are select battery health, maximum capacity not showing. Most people think this is software error. According to my opinion, this is hardware error. When you are removing your display, sometimes it is starting to showing battery percentage again. In this video, you can see 70% or 71% display is starting. It means your your display and battery has some loose connection. You have to wait several times. I will show you. You can see connection of battery here and connection of display here. I hope to attach some plate to here. You can see small metallic plate. I hope to install this plate using small nails just like this. You can fix small plate just like this using tiny nails and you can press it just like this. After completion of this process, you can reinstall your display and you can reinstall your nails just like this. It is very simple process. You can fix it at your home. Now I hope to turn on my iPhone. You can see 71% or 74% here. You can see battery is charging very well. I'm using my power bank. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos and we are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new update. You can see here battery is showing, battery health is showing very well. Thanks for watching.